Here we have the first real-life hands-on video of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. For the first time, we are seeing the real device, not a prototype. Not one, we have two videos. In the first video, we can see that it's a working device, not a prototype. Let's talk about the second video. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL has undergone significant changes. The glossy sides, which could easily attract fingerprints, have been updated, but what stands out the most is the matte finish, which looks beautiful. Additionally, the camera design has also been revamped on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, we have some more live hands-on photos of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Twitter user Mystery Lupin posted photos and specs of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Google is struggling to keep the Pixel 9 series under wraps as leaks continue to pour out ahead of its official launch. The most recent leak provides a comprehensive look at the specifications of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the company's highly anticipated flagship. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip paired with the Titan M2 security processor. It features 16 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The device boasts a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2992 x 1344 pixels, offering an impressive 3000 nits of brightness. Running on Android 14 with an update to Android 15 on the horizon, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is built with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability. The camera system includes a 42-megapixel f/2.2 selfie camera, a 50-megapixel f/1.68 wide lens, a 48-megapixel f/1.7 ultra-wide lens with a 123 degrees field of view, and a 48-megapixel f/2.8 zoom lens with 5x optical zoom. The device is priced at $1,099. Although the latest leak doesn't provide details about the battery, earlier reports suggest that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will come equipped with a 5,060 mAh battery supporting 45-watt wired charging, with wireless charging speeds still under wraps. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.